Welcome to Adventure Driven Shop, the outdoor version. Today we are going to change the rickety, previously the only good choice for a window crank was this Volvo plastic cheapo crank. But we're changing it to, wait. Yes, it's very nice. It's metal, it's high quality. It's longer, has a much more nicely working mechanism. So we've decided to do it here at camp. Off with the old. Get that back there in the middle. And side point about this comes with a nice stainless steel screw, Phillips head versus the flat head, and the ever so important correct thread pitch. Voila! That works nice and smooth. Very happy with that. Ta-da! This is the little package it came in, which I appreciate. It's just simple. It's not a bunch of wasted big box pretty stuff. dpequipment.com. Talk to David Paul. That's the DP. The part number is right here. It's 12418-392. dpequipment.com. Thanks for joining us at the Adventure Driven Shop outdoor version.